This is Munib, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon. So here we are again at Amazon Seller Central, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a FBM product and how you can create a FBM shipment plan. So first let's add a product. Simply click on these three lines and then click on catalog, click on add a product. And here just mention the ASIN of the product. Here I have copied the ASIN, so let's just paste. See, this is the product. Click on it, select the condition as new, click on sell this product. This opens a new window, and here we will mention the SKU. As we are going FBM, so we will select I will ship this myself. The SKU of this item can be ABC 333311. Quantity, let's say we have 100 units of this product. The price we are going to sell it for $50. This is the item condition is new. See, here we have to mention the shipping template. Here I have selected migrated template. So let's just create a shipping template. What is a shipping template? Let's go to this. We are again on first Seller Central page. Go to the settings and click on shipping settings. This opens another window, and see, here you can create a new shipping template, and this is the default template that you guys have seen there. So let's just edit this template for now. Edit template. And here you can edit this template by your needs. This is the domestic shipping. Here you can mention the regions where you are going to ship. Here you can mention the address type, whether you want PO box address or street address. This is the time that you need to deliver the parcel. Is the shipping fee. Here action. This is standard shipping. Again the regions, the type and all. Expedited shipping, 2-day delivery, 1-day delivery, and here is international shipping. You can customize all of the things you want right from this page. And what I suggest, what we do with our clients is we calculate the shipping fee of the total MOQ and divide it on per unit and then sell it. So it allows us to give free shipping on each and every product without reducing our margins. So this is a simple trick you can use to get more sales, more customers, because customers buy from you when they see you are offering free shipping. So this is it for today. Subscribe our channel and give a like. If you like this video, press the bell icon so you never miss any update.